An explosion of bizarre creatures fills the sea. Opabenia, with its 5 eyes, swims slowly. Anomalocaris lunges, striking with powerful claws. Wiwaxia crawls along the seabed, covered in protective spines. Marella, a small arthropod, gracefully moves through the water. Trilobites, ancient arthropods, scuttle across the ocean floor. Hard-shelled animals proliferate throughout the oceans. A silent, dark cosmos stretches out. Suddenly, light explodes from a single point, the Big Bang. Galaxies slowly spin and drift through the vast emptiness. Our sun forms, radiating its first powerful light. A swirling disk of dust gathers, our solar system is born. Early Earth glows red, covered in molten lava. Massive meteorites violently crash into the young planet. The moon slowly separates, drifting into its orbit. Water vapor rises from the first turbulent oceans. Acid rain pours, forming the Earth's early seas. The ocean surface is calm, reflecting a faint light. Lightning strikes the water, sparking chemical reactions. Organic compounds form in a warm primordial soup. Tiny bubbles encase the first genetic material. Luca, the last universal common ancestor, floats in the water. The first simple cells, prokaryotes, begin to move. Cells evolve, developing protective membranes. Ancient bacteria thrive near deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Cyanobacteria start photosynthesis, releasing early oxygen. Bubbles of oxygen slowly rise to the surface. Oxygen builds up, tinting the atmosphere a pale blue. Anaerobic organisms perish in a wave of extinction. The first eukaryotic cells with internal structures appear. Eukaryotic cells begin forming symbiotic relationships. Mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, develop inside. Purple bacteria become chloroplasts, enhancing photosynthesis. Single-celled organisms diversify into countless shapes. Cells cluster, forming the very first tissues. Simple multicellular organisms drift in the ancient seas. Microbial mats cover the ocean floor in vibrant layers. Long filamentous bodies gracefully swim through the water. creatures begin developing bilateral symmetry. Primitive sense organs, like light-sensing patches, emerge. Organisms start moving purposefully towards light or food. The first eye spot, a simple photoreceptor, takes shape. Mouths and digestive systems begin to form. Muscles develop, allowing for controlled movement. The first predatory organisms appear in the ancient seas. Defense mechanisms like spines and hard shells evolve. Primitive hunts unfold in the deep, ancient waters. Night falls over a quiet ocean, the calm before the storm. Morning light illuminates the blue-green water. Suddenly, an explosion of bizarre creatures fills the sea. Opabenia, with its 5 eyes, swims slowly. Anomalocaris lunges, striking with powerful claws. Wiwaxia crawls along the seabed, covered in protective spines. Marella, a small arthropod, gracefully moves through the water. Trilobites, ancient arthropods, scuttle across the ocean floor. Hard-shelled animals proliferate throughout the oceans. Nervous systems and primitive brains begin to form. The ocean becomes teeming with diverse and active life. Life engages in fierce competition, survival of the fittest. A new species evolves powerful fins, darting past prey. Some creatures leave the bottom, heading towards the light. The oxygen-rich atmosphere promises a new dawn for Earth. The first vertebrates with early spinal cords emerge. Life in the ocean becomes increasingly dynamic. A vibrant, colorful Cambrian Earth, full of ancient life. The screen darkens as powerful music swells.